Hey guys, continuing on the example, we've got four spigots running. We've got a create leads, an assign leads, a delete leads, and a new one called create tasks. So what I'm simulating here now is imagine that after these leads get assigned to our sales team, they go and make calls, and those calls result in tasks being logged to each of the leads. Um, so let's take a quick look at this spigot. We're using schedule always running. For input, we're doing leads owned by the sales team. Now, I had to create a formula field called owner division in order to target this set of leads. Why? So what I would love to do is just say owner.division equals sales. However, we can see that that is not going to work. So here's a extension I like to use called Salesforce Inspector. And we can see that if we try to do owner.division, we get an error. The reason is that owner is a polymorphic field. We can do certain lookup fields on it, like name and is active, but we cannot do custom fields or many of the standard fields on user. So because of this, what I did is I made a simple formula field called owner division, and that's just going to pull that data onto the lead record where I can reference it in a SQL query. So we're taking 10 of the most recently created leads that are assigned to the sales team, and um, we are creating tasks with them. So we have a create S object module with object task, and we're setting the subject to call by owner name. We're setting the who ID to the lead. We're setting status to completed, and we're setting type to call. So here's a report showing what this looks like. Um, this is a custom report type called lead with or without activities. And we can see that tasks are being created and assigned to the lead with every run. Um, Initially, when I set this up, because I was setting the type field, and even though this is running as an admin who has view all data and view all fields, um, when you create a new Scratch org, no one has access to this type field by default. And the way that this app works is that it can't just rely on view all data. You need to have explicit field level security access to the fields that the running user is referencing. So what happened is in exceptions, I saw that we were getting exceptions that look like this. Um, it's basically saying that the field task.type does not exist or the running user doesn't have access to it. So then I went into here, I did set field level security, and I granted the running user access, and then it started working.